And then we're going to open our key case.
Yup. All right, let's open it up. Okay, what do we got?
We got a case.
Oh, so let's show the camera. This camera, yeah. Oh my gosh, we got a 90s Honda Civic EF. This is a cool one. We've been looking for this, haven't we?
Yeah. Is it mine?
Yeah, let's open it right there.
That was stuck.
Yep, that was stuck. All right, you put it on the turntable. Yep, nice. Ooh, that's a good one. So let's let it spin around. So right, it's got some 5-spoke rims. Yeah, it looks nice and cool, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Let's let it get a full spin.
Yeah.
Do you like, what color is that car?
I don't know.
Red?
Red.
Yeah, and it's a what? Honda Civic. All right, let's open the next one.
Yeah.
Right, wait, you put the car behind it. Remember, in the parking lot. Line it up in the, yeah, let's park them all. All right, so we show the camera first, right?
Ooh, we were looking for that car.
Yeah, we've been looking for this one. So far, D case is good, right? We got an 82 Cadillac Seville.
Let's open it.
Let's open it. Double hands. Ah. All right. Got it? Let's put it on the turntable. Try to get it right in the middle. Nice, right in the middle. Ooh. It's got a lot of spokes. Is that gold?
Yeah.
Nice.
And it has
It's got lights. It's got some wood printing on the side.
yeah.
Oh yeah, that's good. This is a good case so far. All right, let's put it in the lot. All right, what's next? Are we gonna get a treasure hunt or a super? All right, show the camera.
Ooh, we've
Ooh.
been looking for that car.
We have a Ford Mustang Mach-E 1400. Let's open it.
Ooh. Ooh, that's good.
Nice. Try to get right in the center there. Yeah. Well, that's a serious spoiler, isn't it?
Yeah, that's a serious car.
Very serious.
Yeah, and fast.
It's a fast one. Yeah, it's got a lot of printing on it.
Yeah, it has a rainbow on it. And it says Adidas.
It says Adidas.
Yeah, maybe you want to wear Adidas in that car.
Okay, I guess. Makes sense.
Let's put it in the lot.
Yep, let's put it in the lot.
Put it next to the coat.
All right, let's open the next car. Make sure we show the camera. Oh, what is that? McLaren Elva? Oh.
We've been looking for that.
Yeah, that's a nice one. Oh,
Yeah. That's a big pack.
Yep. Put it on the turntable. Oh, that was a good drop. Good drop. So is that a convertible?
Yeah.
Yeah. What do you think about this one? What was it?
Sedan?
Oh, a McLaren? Convertible. Okay, let's put it in the lot.
Okay.
Oh, Qhue. If we had a super, it would be this one.
Yeah. Let's do this one.
Let's do this one first? Okay. What is this? A BMW 507. All right, let's open it. Yeah. Oh, that was a good one. That was all you. Let's put it on our new turntable.
Dude, Snoopy car.
Oh, that is a Snoopy. Yeah, we got a turntable just for this, didn't we? Our new turntable.
This looks good.
Yeah, it looks good. They're spinning nice. Or did we like our road better?
Yeah.
Well, let's let it spin a little more.
Okay.
You like the road or the turntable? You like this turntable?
Road.
You liked when we did the road? Okay. Well, we'll see. All right, let's take it off. Put it in the lot.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, a Snoopy?
Yeah.
Did you get a Snoopy?
Yeah.
Wait, let's show the camera first before you open it. Snoopy. Nice. All right, let's open it.
Okay.
I can't believe you got a Snoopy. Did you think you were gonna get a Snoopy in here?
Yeah.
You did?
I put it on the middle.
Yeah, that was a very good middle drop.
It is a super.
You think it's the Super?
Yeah. Oh, no, it's not.
Yeah, let's see. If it was the Super, it would have rubber tires and there'd be a logo back there.
Yeah.
There's no logo. We don't have the Super, but that's okay. We don't have this car, do we? Alright, let's take Snoopy off the turntable. Let's take a look at our Lotus. Let's show the camera. Alright, you got it? So you gotta show them here. And you're like, okay, we've got the Lotus EV Ja, however you say that, I don't know.
You don't know what it is?
I'm not sure how you say that name, do you know?
No. Ah, fell on the pack.
Oh, fell on the pack. Let's put it in the middle. Oh, nice drop. That's a good looking car though, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's nice and deep red.
Yeah.
Got a giant spoiler.
Yeah. That's a little one.
That's a little spoiler. Yeah, I guess compared to that Ford we already opened, that had a giant spoiler.
That one is a giant spoiler.
Yeah. This one, does it have any printing on it?
No.
Just have those printed headlights and that's it?
Yeah.
It's alright. It looks good though, doesn't it?
Yeah, let's put it on the lot.
Let's put it in the lot. Alright, we're doing pretty good. Oh, show the
They were
camera.
looking for this.
We were looking for this one. A Nissan Leaf Nismo RC02. Oh, yep, you got it. Good job. All right. Let's put it on our turntable. Nice center drop. Oh, another spoiler. Another red one. It's obviously a Nissan, right?
Yeah.
It says Nissan real big on it.
And it has a giant spoiler. Why do we got another giant spoiler one?
We do have another giant spoiler, don't we?
Yeah. Let's put it on.
Well, let's let it finish its spin. It's got to go all the way around, doesn't it? Alright. Right when it turns and we get that spoiler in there. Alright, yep. Take it off. Put it in the lot. Alright, what's next? You think we'll get a treasure hunt? The treasure hunt is the plane, right?
Ooh, look.
Ooh.
It's the same of yours.
Yeah, Papa collects these ones, right? Can we show the camera? A tuned 83 Chevy
Did you get
Silverado.
one for me?
Oh, we're gonna open it? Okay. Ah,
Ooh.
here we go. Nice, that's a little one. Can you get that lined up in on the turntable? Oh yeah, that looks good. So we gotta wait till it goes all the way around to the back again. Ooh. No, let it go. Those blue, are those blue rims?
Yeah.
We should get blue rims for our car, huh? Let's let it keep going. It's gotta go all the way around, doesn't it? So we're going. I like the colors. This is one of my favorite one of these.
Yeah.
But this is yours though, right? Even though Papa wants it.
Yeah.
Alright, let's take it off.
Okay.
Alright, what car is next? Alright, show the camera. Alright, it's a Aston Martin Vintage GTE. That's pretty cool. Were you looking for that one?
Yeah.
You were? Oh, is there any of them you weren't looking for?
Yes, I was. Let's put it on the turntable.
Nice. That is going around. It's light blue. It's got the number 99. It's got a lot of spokes on those rims. What's that? 6 spokes. Alright, it's coming around. Watch your foot on the camera, bud. Oh, hey. Oh, you're funny, aren't you? Alright, let's put it in the lot.
Okay. Next to the little car.
Oh, yep. Alright, what's next? Oh. We got the Time a Taxi. Time a Taxi. It's like a fast taxi.
Let's open it.
Do it.
Oh
my gosh.
Oh, that's wet.
Alright. I don't think we got a treasure hunt because none of those are planes. Let's put it on the turntable. Oh, this pack had a lot of red cars, huh?
Yeah.
So, well, 3 spoke rims. These are cool.
Yeah.
This taxi looks fast, huh? Fast taxi? Let's let it go down a little bit more. Oh, don't bump the camera. Don't bump the camera. Hey, don't bump the camera. Alright, let's put that car in the lot.
Yeah. What do you got next?
What do we have next?
Whoa,
Oh,
that's an 80 car.
an 80s car? Wait, what is it? It's a 84 Corvette. Oh. Oh man. Do you know how to read 80? Seems like it, huh? Alright. Let's put it on the turntable. Nice drop. Oh, that's cool. It's gold. 5-spoke rims. Tinted windows. Some lights. Alright, it's coming around. Oh.
And a hand.
Yeah, that's a hand.
And another hand.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, yep, there you go.
They just try to stay on.
Yep. Alright, we got 4 more cars. Ooh, what's this one? Count Muscula. Oh, yep. You got it. Alright, let's put that on the turntable. Alright, that one's a huge car, isn't it? It's going around. What number is that? 55?
Yeah.
Yeah, say Count Muscula. Yeah. Alright, you could take that off. That one's okay. Put it in the lot. Yeah, we're going far back there, huh, aren't we?
Yeah.
Alright, ooh. You know who likes this one?
What? Papa.
Yeah. What is this? This is a 1986 Toyota van. Oh. Alright, let's put it on the turntable, nice and centered. We're gonna have to let this one go all the way around. Can you tell me about it? It's brown.
Yeah.
It's got some printing on the side.
Yeah. And on the back.
Yeah, it's got. I really like those wheels, huh? Those are cool. This is the Toyota van, just Toyota van. Let's let it go around all the way. Let's let it go around. All right. Yep. There you go. Let's let it go. Oh yeah, you can park it.
We're running out of parking.
Yeah. Well, it's okay. All right. There's 2 more. Ooh, what's this one?
Treasure hunt.
Do you think this is the treasure hunt? It looks like the treasure hunt of the other one. The mod rod. This is the Ekenstein rod? Or Ekenstein rod? Oh. There you go. Alright, put it on the table. All right. About while that one's spinning.
Yeah, purple.
You think that's purple?
Dark purple.
Dark purple? Maybe. Maybe blue. Let's let it go around just a little bit longer. Okay. All right, let's open this last one.
Yeah.
And then we're all done. We gotta say bye to everybody.
But why?
Well, just on the camera to pretend like we're saying bye to someone. Let's open it. On the camera. On the camera. Gotta show the camera. Hold on. Oh wait, Ford. Focus. Let's do it. Together. Oh. Oh. Alright, let's put that on.
Yeah. Yeah.
Alright, nice. That's a good one. Look at it go. Yep. Do you like the turntable?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, on the street.
And the street? Maybe we should. Do we need to draw a street on the turntable? Is that what we need?
No.
What?
No.
You're saying no or yeah?
No.
No? Okay. Alright, let's take it off. We just opened our D case because we opened our other ones for fun. You say bye.
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 Bye. What was your favorite in the D case?
All of them.
All of them?
Hi.
Alright, we'll get a shot of all of them, right?
Okay.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.